Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to handle multiple condition using if Elseif else structure. When we use the simple if else structure, we have checked one condition and based on that one condition we did some actions, right? Okay, but we have found a drawback for the if else option. So the main drawback is like we can have only one condition and possible true or false statement about that particular condition. So if you have more than one condition, we cannot do anything with the if else structure. Okay. Solution for this problem is if else structure. Okay. So if else structure will help you to check more than one condition one after the other. That means if first condition fails, it goes to the second condition. If second condition fails, it goes to the third condition, so on. At the same time, if the first condition pass, it will execute the first true block and it will not check the other conditions. That's how it works. Okay. So here's the syntax for you. If condition 1, then true block 1. Else if condition 2, then true block 2. Else if condition 3, then true block 3. Like this, you can use else ifs as many as you want. Okay. And finally, we will be having an else block, which is a false block. If all these condition fails, what do you want to do? That you will write in the false block. Okay, so in this case, Excel VBA will check the first condition. If the first condition is okay, it will execute the first true block. If the first condition is not okay, then only it will go to the condition 2. Here's a small example which evaluates the cell B5, and we are saying if the B5 is greater than or equal to 250, then say first grade. So suppose if there is 300 in B5, at the moment this condition becomes true and it will execute this area. It will not check the other conditions. Suppose the B5 cell is having 220, this condition fails. Then it goes to the next condition. And this condition got passed, then it will execute this area and it will exit from there. That's how it works. Okay, so we will do an example. I'm moving you to the example sheet, and in the example sheet you can see there is something called sales status, and when the people enter the sale amount and when they click the check button, we want to show the status here. So status is like if it is more than 50,000, we should show here excellent, and if it is more than 30,000, that means 30 to 50, it is best. 20 to 30 it is good, and all below 20,000 is bad. Let's try to do this. So here I came to the Visual Basic interface and I added a module and I named it as multiple condition, and I started a sub called check condition, and inside the sub I have defined a worksheet variable and set the worksheet variable to our example worksheet. Okay, so now this is cell F7 and this is D11. F7 and D11. So I'm saying like if ws dot range of F7, then I'm saying like greater than or equal to 50,000, then ws dot range of D11 equals excellent. Equals excellent. Okay. Else if ws dot range of F7 greater than or equal to 30,000, then ws dot range of D11, what we want to display? We want to display that's the best sale. Correct? Then the next condition, else if ws dot range of F7 greater than or equal to 20,000, then ws dot range of D11 equal to what? Good. Okay. Finally, we will write an else. That means all this condition is false. What WS dot range of D11 is bad. Then I'm giving end if. Okay. Now the Excel VBA is going to go to the F7 cell and checking whether it is 50,000 or more. If it is 50,000 or more, it will be showing excellent in D11. Otherwise, it will go to F7 and check it is 30,000 or more. That means 30,000 to 50,000. If that is the case, it will show best. And if that is not the case, it will go to the next condition and it will check whether it is more than 20,000 or not. If it is more than 20,000, it will show good. If all these three conditions fail, it will say bad. So let's try to execute this. So I'm right clicking, assign macro, check condition. Then I'm giving here 55,000. Check, that is excellent. Okay, let me try 34,000. Check, that's the best. 22,000. Check, that's good. Then 15,000, that is bad. So it is working fine. So I hope you understand how to handle multiple condition using if Elseif else structure. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.